हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ई स्कूल ऑनलाइन। पिलाने मु तुम मानक कही तुम थर्ड प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट सेकेंड लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश थर्ड प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट आंसर गुड़िक नहीं आसबि। तो आज हम ऑब्जेक्टिव आंसर गुड़िक सब नहीं आसी। तुम मैंने क्लीयरली देखु प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट एनुअल एचएस एग्जामिनेशन 2021 आमर क्वेश्चन गुड़िक सब रही। तो आम वन बाय वन सब क्वेश्चन आंसर गुड़िक आलोचना करवा। फास्ट देखा एक नंबर क्वेश्चन आमर कौन अच्छी पिलाने। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अच्छी Who is the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful composed by? It कौन हम? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सी C.F. Alexander. Then question number 2, why has God given us lips? It correct answer to D, to tell that God is Almighty. 3 number question, what are the Hebrides? Correct option is a group of islands to the northwest of Scotland. That is the correct option. Then question number 4, where did the poet bear the music? Question number 4 answer A, in his heart. Question number 5, in which season is the thrilling voice of the cuckoo bird heard? Correct option is spring, option C. Then question number 5, question number 6, whose voices are calling the honey child? A mothers, lovers, coils, fairy folks. Correct option is D, fairy folks. Question number 7, where are the bridal robes? In the forest, in the river, iceless, in the loom, in the earth. Correct option is in the loom. Question number 8, where is Becky's brain? Correct answer is in a familiar jar. Question number 9, who did Becky adore? Correct option is D, his grandmother. Question number 10, what were Becky's domain? Correct answer is computers and maths. 11. Question number 11, Lencho's corn was totally destroyed by option C, the hailstorm. Then question number 12, what was the single hope for Lencho after his corn was totally destroyed? Correct answer is D, help from God. Question number 13, what was the postmaster like? Fat and amiable, tall and amiable, short and amiable, fat and impolite. Correct answer is fat and amiable. Question number 14, what did Gandhiji jealously guard in his school days? His character. Correct answer is his character. Question number 15, in which standard did Gandhiji obtain the scholarship of 4 rupees? Question number 15, fifth standard. In 5th standard, Gandhiji obtained the scholarship of 4 rupees. Then question number 16, the easiness of which subject tempered Gandhiji? Question number 16, the correct answer is B, Persian. Question number 17, which subject was also commenced from the 4th standard in Gandhiji's school? Correct answer is D, Sanskrit. Question number 18, which Bihu marks the start of a new year in Assam? Answer is A, Rangoli. Which festival is named after a bird? Correct answer is B, Hornbill. Then question number 20, charm dance is performed during the celebration of which festival? Correct answer is Losung. Then question number 21, how long was Timothy when he was discovered by grandfather? Correct answer is D, correct, about 18 inches. Question number 22, please continue your conversation. Who said this? Correct answer is D, the zookeeper. Question number 23, how did grandfather walk out of the zoo? Correct answer is briskly. Then question number 24, how many kopecks did the beggar need for a lodging? Correct answer is A, 5. How did Olga glance at her companion? Faithfully, carefully, earthly, beautifully. The correct answer is worthfully. Then question number 26, who does the expression the wife refer to in the story The Beggar? Correct answer is the beggar. 27, how did Lakshmi pay for a seat in the gallery? Correct answer is in copper coins. Question number 28, who was named the chief judge to decide the case of Jumman's aunt? Correct answer is A, Algu Chaudhuri. Question number 29, long life the god that is pines. Who told this? Correct answer is D, Algu Chaudhuri. Then why was Algu Chaudhuri initially reluctant to be the punch? ये करेक्ट आंसर पे आमर रोचे व्हाई वाज अलगू चौधरी इनिशियली रिलक्टेंट टू बी द पंच करेक्ट आंसर इज डी ही एंड जुमान वेयर क्लोज फ्रेंड्स देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 माय अंकल who is a judge is coming here tomorrow the underlined person is a dash clause पे मैंने ये करेक्ट ऑप्शन टी होची नॉन डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉज the word resolution in a letter to God means correct answer is a firm decision question number 33 an extremely strong wind is called gale question number 34 human wants are not limited the single word for the underlined expression is unlimited then question number 35 Namrata posted the letter after she dash it correct answer is after he had written it then question number 36 crops would have been better if it dash well correct answer is if it had rained well charities are exempted dash paying tax correct answer is C charities are exempted from paying tax question number 38 the single word for the habits tradition and beliefs of a country is culture question number 39 people pray the god to dash evil spirits B drive away evil spirits question number 40 juice is made dash fruits juice is made from fruit question number 41 which one of the following imperative sentences express suggestion correct answer is C let us go on a picnic that is a imperative sentence expression of suggestion this book has made the author famous the pattern of this declarative sentence is question number 42 answer रहिबो D S V O C then question number 43 a herd of elephants dash seen in the jungle yesterday the correct answer is it plan C was a herd of elephant was seen in the jungle yesterday question number 44 pick out the sentence which is grammatically incorrect correct answer is none of the students have arrived yet these are grammatically incorrect 45 he is watching the news dash television he is watching the news on television correct answer is on he agreed dash my proposal correct answer is he agreed to my proposal 47 I have no objection to what he says correct answer is the underlined portion is a noun clause working as object of a preposition what he says people followed him wherever he went correct answer is the underlined portion is an adverb clause of place correct answer is place 49 question number 49 people say that he was an honest officer its passive form is he is said to have been an honest officer question number 50 he said to me consult a doctor immediately the sentence can be reported as he advised me to consult a doctor immediately पे ये सब ग्रामर पर्सन रही है तुम मान रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रिपोर्टेड वर्ब रहा ये पासिव ये रही पासिव एक्टिव रहा देन ये क्लॉज गुड़िक रहा तो ग्रामर पर्सन तुम टे भल से देख सब क्वेश्चन आंसर आम आलोचना कले जदि कौटी किसी मोर मिस्टेक रही जाइथिबो पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स रखिबो जिते संभव वीडियोटी को तुम फ्रेंड्स मन तो शेयर कर जमती समस्त आंसर गुड़िक आवर हो पारे मोर चैनल को सपोर्ट देथिबारु तुम मानक लास्ट पर्यंत वीडियो को देखि बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद थैंक यू ऑल।